Well, let's take a look at what's happening in the market so far today. I'm Susan Littlefield, and Heather Ramsey joins us today. She is with the ARC group. And I know, Heather, you talked a little bit earlier about some momentum that's kind of kicking in with the funds. What are you seeing, and how is that really going to affect this market trade?
Yeah, we have definitely seen some uptick here on both corn, soybeans, wheat, all of the above for the last couple of days. And I think initially we thought Monday, that was a breather day, was that kind of it. But the funds have been able to keep their momentum. They've hit some targets, some trigger points on both corn and soybeans that I think are had kind of been sitting there in the background waiting for the algorithms to catch them. And we sent the market then higher after hitting those. We come in today and we're strong again. Corn at this point in time is up about 10 cents on the old crop and about 5, almost 6 cents on the new crop. And those are pretty significant moves after having had that little breather earlier in the week. Argentina weather has gotten drier again, so that looks to be a little bit of the catalyst today. But like I said, when we hit these target points that the algorithms, the computers that are trading are looking for, that usually gives us a little bump higher. So when we kind of breach that 490 mark on the March corn today, that shoved us a little bit higher than maybe what anyone expected. Kind of the same thing on D's 25 corn, kind of broke through that 462, 464 area, and now we're headed towards a 466, 467. Same things going on soybeans. We're seeing some increased interest out there, and we're hitting numbers that we haven't seen in quite a little while, or if we had seen them, then we've retraced. So we're headed back towards testing some of those nearby highs on soybeans today. And then wheat in general, wheat was way, way oversold, it looked like yesterday. And so we saw some rebound on wheat yesterday. We're seeing that momentum carry through today. Other than than the weather headline, nothing significantly major today's headline, but we are looking forward and deciding what kind of risk premium needs to go into this market before the weekend when we do see that fatal February 1st and potential tariff announcements from President Trump. So that's kind of weighing in the background. We may not see that pressure though until we get into that Thursday, Friday trade.
It sounds good, Heather. And of course, we're going to have the opportunity to hear more from Heather later on today, as she will be joining me for the channel Final Bell. And of course, we encourage you to check out, if you can't catch it live, go to ruralradionetwork.com for the podcast. I'm Susan Littlefield for the Rural Radio Network.